It's a new trading day. Let's cross over now to the trading floor. Well, my colleague Temple is standing by there to tell us how trading has kicked off today. Good morning once again, Temple. Well, I know the traders are still digesting Access Bank earnings and, of course, Wema Bank. How are those results driving sentiment this morning?
Jimmy, off on the top of my head, I can tell you, like you know too, that the banking names are basically the major picks any day, any time in this market because they're really liquid. As we speak, yes, Access Bank and Wema Bank are the key numbers that investors are watching or traders are watching. A lot of them are yet to come back to make entry into the market because it's of course early right now. So. We know the banking names are actually ticking up, well, the sector rather, looking good right now. Wema Bank that you talked about came in with a profit before tax of 3.05 billion naira in terms of the group performance now, which is what we're going to be focusing on for this short time that we have on the program. And that's a movement away from the 1.79 billion naira that the company had in the base year. For the profit after tax, it's doing some 2.6 billion naira, and that's as against the 1.5 billion naira that it had netted in profit in the preceding year. Net interest income is also looking good, 38.8 billion naira, with a net impairment loss of some 23.0 billion naira. Cash equivalents is better, 43.4 billion naira compared to 21 billion naira in the days when Nigeria was just exiting recession. That's what we have right now in the market. In terms of the kind of performance that we're having in the market, earlier I told you that the market closed yesterday at 32,000 psychological line, 900 and something, and we're hoping that it will cross the 33,000 mark again. As we speak, it's up to 33,000 psychological mark. We've seen it now 33,264.31, and the numbers still crunching right behind me on the big boards day. We've seen some 11.4 million units of shares traded so far as we speak, of course, for a value of just 151 million naira. That's what we have right now as we speak, as the market is beginning to unfold for traders who will, from any moment from now, be coming into the market to see how they can react to some of these earnings, especially the banking names, which in recent time has really been moving the market as things are. Chimeze.
Now, I just wondering what exactly is driving this positive sentiment for investors at this time. Is it basically the earnings coming from the banking sector, or it has to do generally with the third quarter earnings coming in?
Yeah, third quarter earnings taking position ahead of some of the key fundamental names in this market. You know, some of the firms that are really fond of impressing or declaring impressive earnings. That's the reason why you have investors buying in and then taking position. For Zenith Bank yesterday, which moved the market, was an opportunity to key into it because that's a major company that posted a good result. GT Bank yesterday, we saw investors making exit from it. Some over 2 billion naira worth of shares were traded yesterday as a way of taking profits yesterday. So you're going to see more entry than exit in this time. Again, this is a period when companies really want to close the year on a good note. And so this is the period to make entry. So when it is time for the companies to now post a positive earning for the 31st of December 2018, you will be getting ready before that date to make exits. Chimeze.
Right, thank you, Temple. I'll see you in the afternoon. And that's it on the program. Thank you for being part of it. I'm Chimeze Obi.